Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Zalo app. You will enter to settings, then we click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above we can search about Zalo app. Here you can click on first app and you can click OK. After that you'll enter to the window of storage. Here you can click on clear cache. In the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.